Hi everyone, it's Michael from MDO Video, and today I'm going to show you these brown light switch and outlet. This is a single pole switch. It's made by Cooper Wiring Devices, which I like because you can see how slimlined that it is. It doesn't take up a lot of room in the box. And the thing I like about these Cooper wiring devices, all their outlets and switches, is this design, this mounting strap design of these, the way they plaster ears. I find that these have better, they hold better, and it has a built-in strip gauge and a loophole. Some of them do. But this one is a 414A, and it's made in the USA. So Cooper and Leviton, they're good companies. And another thing is it's very quiet. This one's brown. I like the brown switches just because. Here is a receptacle. Alright, it's got the screw catch. This one's made by Eaton, but it still has that nice the strap, the design is nice. And it has this one here. Ooh, is a 2351F. Eaton UL listed. This one is 15 amp, 125 volt. Made in USA, which I like. See? And it's just a really good receptacle. And Lowe's used to sell them, but now they carry Hubbell, and most, and so that's that. Just wanted to show you that. Hope you enjoy the video. Thank you for watching. Bye.